Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to transfer Matic from Binance to your Phantom wallet in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started with blockchain, this step-by-step process will help you move your assets safely and efficiently. Matic, or Matic as it's officially known, is the native token of the Polygon network, and transferring it can unlock more decentralized opportunities. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device. If you don't, head to the official website or app store, download it, and create a new wallet. Remember, always use the legitimate source to avoid scams. Once you're set up, the next step is to get your wallet address. Open the app, go to the Receive section, and copy your Matic address. Double-check that it's for the Polygon network, as using the wrong one could lead to lost funds. Now, log into your Binance account. If you're new, you'll need to complete verification first. Head over to the Wallets section, select Spot Wallet, and find your Matic balance. Click on Withdraw next to Matic. This is where it gets exciting. Paste your Phantom wallet address into the withdrawal form. Make sure to select the Polygon network from the drop-down menu. That's crucial for a smooth transfer. Before you hit Confirm, enter the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to leave room for network fees, which are usually pretty low. Review everything carefully: the address, the network, and the amount. Once you're good, click Withdraw, and wait for the confirmation email or two-factor authentication if required. Binance will process the transaction, and it should hit your Phantom wallet in a few minutes, depending on network congestion. After the transfer, open your Phantom wallet app and refresh your balance to see your Matic tokens. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a bit more time or check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Polygon Scan. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works perfectly. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Matic from Binance to Phantom wallet in 2025. It's a straightforward process, but staying vigilant about networks and addresses is key to avoiding headaches. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.